If you're in the US, you'll go here to register your drone. If you're in the UK, you'll go to the CAA webpage. I'll leave a link in the description to all these web pages for you. The first thing you need to know is that if your drone is below 250 grams, it's not a toy, it's got a camera, you do not need a flyer ID, but you do need an operator's ID. And just note, the operator's ID, you do need to be 18 years or over. So if you are under 18, please get an adult or your parent to do that for you. You only need an operator ID as the owner of the drone or the person responsible for the drone, whether it's an individual or a company. And if you have more than one drone, you have one operator ID that would go on all your drones, and you should label all your drones like so, which is a really good idea, because if you ever lose your drone, you crash your drone, or it has a flyaway, then it is labeled and it is trackable then, and you've got more of a chance of recovering your drone. You'll then go to this web page to register as an operator. Just make sure you've got a current email address, you've got a current debit card, and just know for the sub 250 gram, it's no requirement to have insurance. Get that in place, and then you can just click the start button and just follow the prompts just to put in your details, and it will create the operator's ID for you. This is a really useful PDF. It's the drone and model aircraft code. You should read through all this, and it will tell you everything that you need to know about where it's safe to fly, the distances from people, objects, airports, and the total height you're allowed to fly. You won't be tested on this, but it's good knowledge to have. This will then allow you to fly in the open category, which is split up into subcategories, and you'll be in the A1 category, which is the most relaxed of all the categories.